What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. So here you see it's a group of 79 students who were asked how far they commute to work from home each time they go to work from home. The result are given below. Determine the first quartile. So if you notice that this second column here, guys, is frequency. So frequency means one person answered 1, 2 people answered 2, 12 people answered 3, 18 people answered 4, 7 people answered 5, and so on and so forth. So these right here should add up to all 79 responses. All right, so there's actually 79 numbers in here. Okay, so with 79 numbers, to find the quartiles, we got to first find the median. If there's 79 outcomes here, that means there's odd number outcomes. That means I actually have a median. I don't have to take an average of 2 numbers. I actually have a median. So if you think about it, what do I have to the left of the median? Wow, okay. I was trying to do a rectangle, but you can give me that instead. All right, so let's say I have 79 pieces of data, right? So how many pieces of data so that I know I have my median right in the center, right? So if I have 79 pieces of data, that means that I should have 38 observations to the left of the median. I'm sorry, 39 actually. 39 observations to the left of the median, and also 39 observations to the right, right? What's 39 plus 39? 39 plus 39 is 78 total observations, and then my median would be the 79th observation, okay? So now I know my median. Does that make sense? So again, let me do this. 39 plus 39 is 78, plus the 1 median would be my 79. So once I find my median, I'm going to look at what is left over, and that would be my so-called find the median of that for, actually, let me do it this way. This might be a better idea. So let's say I look, let me change this to blue actually. And then let me change this to purple because that's in between, right? All right, so if I take the median of the red 39 observations, which is to the left of the median, if I take that median, then I would actually have my first quartile. If I take the median of the later 39 observations, that would be my third quartile. So I want to take this right here and I want to split that in half and see where I end up in the middle. Okay, so if I was to split this up into 2, so let's say I split this up into 2. So I'll have that box right here, and duplicate this and put this over here and change that to that, right? So if I was to do that, then I should have in the middle, which I don't know what color that would be if those two. Let's just pretend it's going to be brown, okay? So the first quartile, the Q1, would now be in the center. So if I had 39 observations and I was to split that up, how many is going to be to the left of me and how many is going to be to the right of me? So 39, I can't do 20 and 20 because that would be 40 observations. So how about 19 and 19 will give me 38. So I can have 19 observations here and 19 observations here. because 19 plus 19 is 38, plus the one in the middle here will be 39. So really, my Q1 is in the 20th position. Okay, so if you want to think of it that way, it's in the 20th position. So if you look at it as a 20th position, then when you guys come back and count this, this is in the first position. The second and third is in here, right? So if I added these two, it would tell me 3, all right? The fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and 16th position will be here. 17, 18, 19, and so on and so forth would be in here. So if you think about this, if I was to add these, right? So this would be my first position, my second and third position. So if you guys think about it, 1 plus 2 would give me 3. 3 plus 12 will give me 15. 15 plus 18 would get me to 33. 33 plus 7 would give me to 40. 40 plus 10 would get me 50. 50 plus 10 would give me to 60. 60 plus 11 would give me to 71. 71 to 5 more would give me what? 76. 76 plus 3 would give me the 79. Okay, so if you want to think of it that way, you guys could. Right, so that you know what position is where. So let me go ahead and write that a little better. So first, I'll do this. So that is definitely going to be the first position. Then if I was to add that 1 to the 2, then I should get the 3. How do I want to do this? Let me see here. There, so that means this one has to be shorter. So now I'm going to take the 3 and add it to the 12. And 12 is going to get me 15. And I gotta take the 15 and add it to the 18, and I'm gonna get my 33rd position. So by the end of all my listing of 4s, it will be my 33rd position. And then by the end of all my 5s that I write down, I'll be in my 40th position. By the end of all my 6s, I'll be at my 50th position. After all my 7s, will be the 60th position. After all my 8s, I'll be in the 71st position. After all my 9s, I'll be at the 76th position. And after all of my 10s, I'll be at the 79th position. Okay? So that's the way you got to think about it. So the 20th position is between the 15th and the 33rd position, which is going to be 4. So this 20th position is going to be a 4. So with that being said, that is going to be choice B. Okay. Now, you are also welcome to list all these out. So if I was to list all these out, I just want you guys to see what this should look like, right? So if I was to list all this out, it should be 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Let me see how many. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then 4 starts, and there's 18 of those. So 4, 4, 4, 4, and so on. Okay. So again, if you know, so let's talk. So 1 is in the first position. After 2 is done, I should be in the third position, right? So first, second, third. 2 is done, third position, right? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the 15th position is at the end of 3. 15. Then 16 starts here, 17, 18, 19, 20, which is the 20th position, which is 4. So I guess I should have probably wrote down one more 4, right, before I do the ... Then it can tell me that I'm actually in the 20th position. Okie doke. Well, I hope that helps. If there's any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.